Hello guys, I upload a video um, on how to use external microphone when your camera doesn't have the output for mic. Um, the only thing you need to buy is this thing. It's on micro SD converter to a 3.5 millimeters audio jack, and which is gonna be plugged to the external mic. It looks like the jack phone headset, but it's different. Um, anyway, um, right now I have this camera. This is SL2. This one has the microphone output, right? But I'm not gonna use this. We gotta try to see if it works using this. The other side has the slot for the micro SD, okay, or micro USB, however that is called. All right. Anyway, the only way to make sure that that works is gonna be to block the microphone. This one has a microphone here and a microphone here on the front. It has holes right here and holes right here. I don't know if you are able to see them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna block those holes. I'm gonna use a piece of paper, I mean a napkin. Then I'm gonna fold it. Okay. Yeah, I guess this should be enough. Then we're gonna tape it. Again, to me this is the only way to see if it works. We're gonna block the sound, or yeah, we're gonna block those holes. Just in case here. Alright, as you can see, this is blocked, so any sound should be blocked. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, this is what you have to do. You have to open this and plug it. Okay, now this is plugged, so we're gonna hook the mic on the camera. Okay, we're just gonna plug it, then turn the camera on. You see the camera is on. Then we're gonna turn on the mic. Okay, the mic is on. Did you see? Mic off, on. Alright, now we're gonna start recording. Okay, this is the test to see if this thing is working. So if you can hear the sound through this, now you're hearing the sound through the mic. Okay, we're gonna see if works. Try to scratch it to see if the mic detects all this. So I guess that's the only way to see if it's working. Alright, so I'm gonna stop the video. If I'm gonna play the video, and if I hear any sound coming out of this, the video from this camera, that means this works. So if you don't have a mic output on your camera, you can just grab this adapter, which is only like, I don't know, I'll say $5, $8, maybe less. I even forgot how much it cost. But anyway, I'm gonna stop the video right now and I let you know. Okay, this is the test to see if this thing is working. So if you can hear the sound through this, now you're hearing the sound through the mic. Okay, I'm gonna see if works. Try to scratch it to see if the mic detects all this. So this is the only way to see if it's working. Alright, so I'm gonna stop the video. If I'm gonna play the video, and if I hear any sound coming out of this, the video from this camera, that means this works. So if you don't have a mic output on your camera, you can just grab this adapter. Okay, this is how we end in covering all the holes for the microphone. So I don't know which one was for the mic and which one was for the speaker. So I cover all the holes, so there shouldn't be any sound coming in or out of the camera. Alright, just so you know. Okay guys, I blocked the camera. I block all the audio holes. I don't know if they were microphone or whatever. So this is what we're gonna do. I put a plastic bag on top of the camera. On top of that, I'm gonna cover it with this. So pretty much everything is blocked. Okay, we have the microphone. I don't know if you can see it here. We have the microphone. I hope you are able to see that. Okay, the microphone is on. We are scratching this. I don't know if you see. So this is what I'm doing. It seems like it's recognizing the sound. Obviously this is not the best microphone. This is only a $20 Darkstar mic. If you use one of the Rhodes, obviously it's a better microphone. This is only just a cheap one. You can afford to buy a $150 mic right now, but seems like it works. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the camera so I hope this can help you. Again, you can try it. That piece, the adapter is only like $8, I believe I paid, and the microphone is $20. So from this point it's up to you. I just did this test to find out if it works. Thank you.